today is um day okay guys, so I did this wash and go 3 weeks ago at Cocoa Black Naturals, and you guys saw the video. It should be up by now, and I decided to do a 3 week. I actually intended to keep it for 2 weeks to see how it lasts and how to maintain it and all of that, and so far so good. So guys, I decided to do like a review to test how it will perform, maintenance and products and all of that. When I did the wash and go, it was really nice. My curls were really defined and all of that for up to 2 weeks plus, actually 3 weeks. But then the day I did it and I went for my wedding in the evening, it got a little bit hard, even though they put the lanolin oil on it, right? So when I went home, I started finding ways and means to make it softer and make my hair more. I wanted my hair to have more movement and luster and movement to it. So I decided to start trying out different products and product combinations to do that. So fast forward, I would moisturize my hair with water in the morning and then trying to put just a tiny little bit of a really lightweight leave-in conditioner on it. I was doing this every 4 days, and then I started playing around with certain product combinations, and I think I will make that a product soon so that everybody can take part, enjoy it. So fast forward, that product actually helped to make my hair softer and more movable. Yeah, so I wasn't getting shedding and breakage and all of that. And the trick, the reason I was actually able to keep this hairstyle for 3 weeks plus, 3 weeks, and today is Tuesday, so 3 weeks and 2 days, is that I left my hair alone. I wasn't doing hairstyles that required too much manipulation, so it was pretty much down most of the time. If it's not down, then it's kind of like just shifted to this side, as you guys saw in my other videos, or it's a middle pattern, or with one of my headbands. As you guys know, I'm starting a company called Kinkycurly. We make scrunchies, we make pillowcases, and basically all hair accessories and anything to protect your hair while still looking fashionable and all of that. So I was basically just playing around my headbands and the scrunchies, just holding it up, down, and then sometimes half up, half downs. Like basically hairstyles that you don't have to manipulate too much and stuff like that. But then today is 3 weeks and 2 days, and it's time to wash it. I forgot to tell you guys, I went swimming on Saturday, and my hair is normally, if I don't have any product or gel in my hair will be pretty much really dry and start breaking by now. But because of the custard and the other products that I used, it kind of shielded my hair from getting too dry, right? The only thing I noticed was when I went swimming, whenever like I held my hair up, so when I swam, I realized that sometimes there were a little bit of the black gel pieces in the pool. It wasn't too much, it was generally fair because it's gel, it's water based, it's going to come off anyway when you go into water. So as I said in one of my videos, chlorine typically tends to dry out the hair, it strips the hair of moisture and all of that. So it's time for us to pump back some moisture and life into the hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash my hair with the Design Essentials moisture shampoo, the almond and avocado range. And then I prepared a DIY deep conditioner with fenugreek, egg, mayonnaise, and some oils. And I'm just going to go ahead and deep condition my hair, and I will be back to show you guys how my hair is looking. So this is how it's currently looking before I go and wash it. The curls are still pretty much there. And guys, come and give it up for my skin. Man, my skin has come a long way, guys. Like, I'm not having my hyperpigmentation so much anymore. And I'm so happy. Look at that. Son of my melanin, huh? Alright guys, so let's go wash our hair in deep condition. Alright guys, so for my conditioner blend, I actually used the Design Essentials Agave and Lavender. This like a blow dry conditioner, but then it has about 3 months to expire and I need to get rid of it, so I used this one together with the almond avocado conditioner. It's an after shampoo conditioner, and then I added the anti-itch intention really tea tree and aloe with peppermint, sunflower seed oil, sweet almond oil, cotton seed, sesame, hemp and rosemary extract oil in the conditioner. I also went in with the Enam Cosmetic Stimulating Nourishing Growth Oil, and then some mayonnaise for the protein. This might come to a lot of people as like some kind of protein overload, but it works just fine for me. This is some mayonnaise, and I added just 1 egg and some fenugreek, and this is everything blended together. You can see the fenugreek is making it draw a bit, like it's giving it some slimy vibe, but the fenugreek is going to help with the moisturizing component, and then the egg and the mayonnaise are the protein, and the oils are just going to help it to work better to provide slip and, you know, to just kind of seal in the moisture. So all of this comes together to make a very fine protein and moisture deep conditioner that you can make right at home. Now I make quite a ton because my hair is a lot, and I really like to go all out for my deep conditioners. So here goes. Let's go shampoo and deep condition. Okay guys, so what you want to do before you even attempt to wash your hair when you have a wash and go is to spray some, take a section piece of your hair like this, right? And then spray a good amount of water on it. Run your fingers along it to generate some kind of heat so that your hair can use, you know, that you know, your hands rubbing, like that friction to create heat to enable your hair to absorb the water. And then you want to put in a little bit of after shampoo conditioner on the hair in the same motion so that the hair absorbs it, and then kind of finger detangle, and then you comb detangle, then you just twist it up like this. What that does is it helps to detangle the hair so that when water goes in there, it doesn't tangle more and then make you have breakage and then lose hair. And guys, don't ever comb your hair when it's dry, okay? So I'm just doing this now before I, you know, go ahead to wash. And this is the parts that I haven't, you know, done yet. I'm holding it with a scrunchie to just hold it in place and just to separate that piece from the rest. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so this is about the amount of hair I lost after detangling my hair from the curls with the leave-in conditioner in the water. If I didn't, I'd have definitely, if I didn't use a leave-in conditioner in the water, I would have definitely lost more hair. But this is what I've lost so far. And this is my hair after I'm done detangling. See, so because of the leave-in conditioner in the water, it still looks moisturized, and because I kept moisturizing it when I had the curls, it's not dry and all of that. So now it's time to just go right ahead and wash the hair. Alright guys, so pardon me, I've actually gone ahead to do a couple of things during the day. So it's now that I'm finally getting the time. I just finished washing my hair and I just put in the deep conditioner that we did earlier. If you want to learn how to do this deep conditioner that I currently have on. I'll be posting the video after this or before. Either of them, you're going to get it anyway, so you definitely want to click that. You want to check that out, and that video is also informative on the benefits and the ingredients and everything you need, so you definitely want to check that out. So I'm just going to clip all of this away. See how thick my hair is, man. Ooh. Alright guys, so I'm just going to hold my hair up. Want to be as gentle as you can. Alright guys, so that's it. You basically just pop on the plastic bag, and then the reason I put on both the plastic bag and the satin bonnet is just so that both of them will work together to generate enough heat, since I'm not using any external form of heat. So both of them just work together to generate heat to help my hair to absorb the product better. So I'm actually supposed to do this for just 30 minutes, but just because, why not? I'm going to do this one because I'm extra. Anyway guys, so that's it. We're just going to wait for 1 hour and then we'll rinse it out, then we'll go on to styling. Alright guys, so it's been 1 hour and 30 minutes. I had other things to do, but then it's time to take this baby down and it's time to get washed. Deep conditioner. I have to get this washed. Okay, I think my hair has worked with this long enough, so I'm just going to wash it out and I'll be right back. Show you guys how that looks like, but before then. Ooh, that's so good. Call that moisture, baby. Fair warning guys, this doesn't smell so good, so you definitely want to be mindful. You can add some essential oils to make it more endurable, but yeah. Alright guys, so I'm done washing my hair. I washed it a while back and then I had a shower, and my hair is high porosity, so it definitely dries up really fast. So that's why you guys can see that it's dry, but it's not fully dry. There's still some water in there, and it's important to know that when you use the fenugreek, you're going to see a little bit of like small flakes in your hair, so you want to make sure that you rinse it out as much as possible. So I had to rinse a lot of times to get it out. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is to go in with my Cocoa Black coconut oil and milk leave-in conditioner. This one is by Cocoa Black Naturals, and I'm just going to apply it roughly to my hair. Normally I'll work in sections, but I need to run somewhere quickly, so I don't really have so much time, but I still want to get it to all the parts. And I'm going to go in with this shea butter I whipped myself. I'm just going to, because it's whipped, so it's easier to distribute throughout the hair, so I'm just going to rub it. And as you can see, it has started melting almost immediately. I'm just going to use that to seal in my moisture.
Lucky day, Alexi.
That's it for the Cocoa Black curl enhancement, my deep conditioning, and my moisturizing of my hair. I'm just going to go ahead and do something with this later on, but before then I have good news, so I have to rush to get that good news, and I'll come back and tell you guys what that's all about. But before I go, thank you guys so much for joining me on this one. I hope you guys found the information in this video very useful, and let me know in the comment section how you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions based off my experience, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you. Bye.